To correctly use live traps, not only do you need to know the best bait to use, but also where to place your live traps. Proper placement is key to having a successful capture. So in this video, we'll show you where to set live traps to give you the best chance at catching your target animal. To shop the professional products in this video and learn even more about live trapping, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. The first step in determining where to set animal traps is to inspect your property for animal hotspots. Look for signs that indicate animal activity or popular routes animals may take when foraging or traveling through your property. Check for footprints left in dirt, damaged or chewed plants in gardens and flower pots, trampled down grass or foliage along buildings or fence lines, and droppings left behind by animals. If you have fruits or vegetables in your garden, check to see if they've been chewed on. You can also spot signs of foraging around trash cans or pet food bowls if they're left outside. Larger pest animals like raccoons or opossums can even knock down smaller trash bins as they forage for food. Once you've examined your property for animal activity, place your live traps near these hotspots. Place your trap along the edge of the property. Choose a spot that's darker or does not see a lot of human or pet activity. Place the trap close to any food or water sources you've identified. If possible, place your trap in the shade, as a trapped animal can quickly die of overexposure to the sun. Place your trap on a flat, level surface, and if you can, weigh it down from above with a brick or cinder block. Aggressive foragers could knock down your live trap, rendering it useless. Most animals won't travel in open space, so consider placing your trap along the property or structure's perimeter. You can also set your trap near dense foliage, gardens, or at the base of trees. If you're dealing with an animal indoors, you can set your trap near hotspots in the garage, attic, or basement. A wild animal inside a building is still likely to travel along walls for their own comfort, so be sure to set your trap parallel to the wall. Once you're confident in the placement of your trap, you're ready to bait and then arm. Wild animals pose a risk to our property and health, but you can humanely control them with professional-grade products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you safely remove wild animals from your property, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. If you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.